Hi friends! Today I have prepared a big turtle drawing for you, and we will paint it. Ready? Yes, our stays look good and big. Now let's open it. Let's leave your bag aside. If you want to see our castles up close, I can show you. They're beautiful. So let's pick a pen from your work and let's see what you say. Let's choose the red. It's got a big tip. It would be fun to paint with it. Okay. Let's sew our pencils upright, and finally, let's do a surprise knockdown. $11 pencils. Yes, we put these too. Now let's start knocking. Okay. Now let's roll them around. See how they roll. Ready to start. It sounds nice because it's round in the corner. Yeah, I like it. These calves are really nice. Let's start drawing turtles. First draw the turtle's eye. Then his nose, and then his head. Then 2 feet to the front and... Let's put 2 feet behind it. Then let's show their fingernails. And draw a circle like a half circle on the top, and we draw the same shape under it. And a semicircle on top. We make honeycombs like honeycombs in your business. Yeah, that was nice. Now let's thicken the lines with a thick felt pen so that our paints don't overflow. Bees would think it was a honeycomb. Yeah, that was nice. Now let's line up our pencils and decide which colors to paint. Start tilting. Now my pencils, let's put the mark aside nicely. Because now our turtle is getting impatient. He screams to paint me. It's time to paint. But first, let's paint the inside of the shell colorfully. What do you say? The cute turtle is impatient. It's time to paint. What color should I buy? Yes, we can paint his head with pink. Let paint time begin. Do you remember this color? Can you tell me your name? Couldn't hear. Say it again. Yes, bravo. This color is called pink. Now we can paint the legs brown. That's a good idea. Remember this color? Can you tell me your name? I just told you. Couldn't hear. Bravo, bravo. The name of this color is brown. Legs and tail are brown. My dear turtle. Now let's make them like rainbows. What do you say? Great idea. Let's start. Tell me the color. What color is it? Yes, red. Tell me the next one. This color is called yellow. Come on, tell me. Bravo, that was orange. You know all the colors. This color is called blue. Bravo, this is purple. You must be the master of colors. This color is called green. Do not use this color. Let's use pink here. I told you pink. I am waiting for the name of the color. Bravo, this is dark blue. Yeah, you know that. Yellow in this color. Yeah. Orange pencil. Is your favorite color pink? Yeah, bravo. So you love pink. Everyone has a favorite color. Yeah, that's orange. Yeah, green. What color can you paint now? What color? I won't. You will say the name of it. Yeah. Waiting. Couldn't hear. What color? Yeah, bravo. It's called purple. Now decorate your work with dots. Because turtles have fancy shells. Yeah, it was perfect. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.